Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to tell if your TradingView charts are real-time or delayed, and how to get live market data. First, log into TradingView and check your watch list on the right-hand side. Hover over a symbol. If it says real-time, your data is live and updates instantly. Many cryptocurrencies are already free and live, which is great for fast trading. If you see a D next to a symbol, it means the data is delayed, usually by 10 to 15 minutes for stocks and futures from major exchanges like NASDAQ or NYSE. To unlock real-time prices, click the Learn More link next to the Delayed label. You'll see the cost per exchange and can upgrade to get live data. Once purchased, your charts will update instantly, helping you make quicker and more accurate trading decisions. That's it. Checking which markets are live or delayed is simple, and upgrading for real-time access ensures you're never caught off guard.